Talk a little bit about my process as a writer and what work I do and everything else. It just doesn't come to me. I've taken several writing classes and I'm majoring in creative writing fiction. I hope to one day tutor creative writing and get a few books published. Until then, I'm self-publishing and seeing if anybody will actually buy my work. That's the experiment that I did now, if I've gotten better. Honestly, when I was editing Gina and the End of the World, I didn't remember what happened in it, and that happens to me quite a bit when I write and I look at my computer. Like, I had a whole novel that I wrote a couple years ago and I couldn't even remember that I did it because I have memory problems. I'm not trying to exaggerate or anything. I struggle a bit with that, but I can take plenty of notes. In fact, let me get up and I'll show you what I do. This right here is an outline for my next novel, or this is a short novel, and this is my long one. This is a novella, and Ray for Racheal is the next book that I'm going to write after Christmas. I think I've gotten better since I've gone back to school and taken, like, not professional writing classes, but taken classes. I can only do one a semester, and this time we wrote a short story, and she really honed in on our weaknesses and our strengths, and it was helpful to get feedback from that teacher. Yeah. So in other news, if you like Gina and the End of the World, let me know. It's only $4, $3.99. It's not going to break you. It's okay. It's not, I don't know what to think about it, but I work really hard on them. And sometimes I can't do anything because I get really apathetic, but other days I can. So I'm wondering if I can be self-employed eventually, but I'll have to become prolific, which might be a challenge for me. I don't know if I can make gainful employment by selling my writings. We'll see. You know, it could just be a fantasy of mine. Yeah. So that's about it. It takes forever, lots of notes, outlines. It's a pain, but when you're limited, you have to do that kind of stuff. Yeah. I can't really do anything else. I can't do math very well, even though I try to study it. I'm slow at science, and I can't really get into a field in that anyway because I'm schizophrenic with memory problems. No one's going to want to hire me. But if I could be self-employed, I'd be happy. I mean, it would be great to actually, you know, be self-sustained and be able to take pride in my days instead of feeling like crap all the time.